So for today's drawing, I'm going to draw one rectangle shape. Try to make it light because most of the time I'm going to erase all these lines. So try to make it lighter. From here, this point, I will pick one point here and I will cut this part, and same thing I'm going to do. It doesn't have to be straight. So this way. Now I will erase the sides, the extra line. We'll start from this point. So this one I'm going to do a little bit out now. From here it will go this side and this curvy, both sides. Same thing I will do this side, curvy. This line over here, I'm not going to take a straight line. I will make it slightly up. Now from here it's curvy here, and I will do another curve here, and from here I will do same thing, curvy here. From here to here it's big curve, so you can make it this and go here and curve this one. Now I will erase all the extra lines from this side. Now this side I curve this one, then I will curve here one, then I can do big one, but before that I will curve this side again, and then from here to here I will curve. Same thing, I will erase all extra lines. This one I'm not going to do right now, I will do later. Now I'm going to do double lines. So here same thing, this side too. Now I'm going to do dotted line. Double. Same thing this side. Now one this side and one this side. So we can pick one circle over here, light. So make sure you are drawing light. So two circles I picked. Now I can start from this side. So this one again, it's going to be bumpy, and one more I can do over here. Now from here I can do one big one or one big and one small. Now here, if you want, we can do fingers over here, or otherwise we can leave it. Over here I'm going to do one, and then from this side I can do inside. Now from this point I'm going to draw one line, then second line, and from here this point, the outer one, I'm going to draw 1, 2, and then 3, and a little bit from this one, above from this one I'm going to draw some light line going all the way here. Now from this point I'm going to draw one, and the other one is up. From this point I'm also going to do one here and one up. From here I can do one like this. Same thing, I can do one or two from this side. From this hand we can do one like a sun style. Same thing, few of them like over here. Now we have to start from here. So middle of this one I will take one point here. This will go straight, then this will turn, and then one line will come here, then again this will turn, and it will turn like this way. So this one is a little bit big to me, so I will make it a little bit smaller. So this one not parallel, it's kind of like going towards skinny is here and wider is here. So then this will turn and it will go like this. From here it will go bumpy. From here it will go a little bit this way and then straight here. Next to this hand or next to this corner we can do one drop shape but curvy. This side two of them, and this is the place I am going to draw the eye. So very close to the hand. So first one is here, second one is close to this one, and one eyebrow this way and one eyebrow this way. Now I'm going to do reflection over here. So I made everything a little bit dark. So this line was straight. Instead of straight, I curved this one. I changed just a little bit over here if you want to change. So these are the eye. Now I'm going to color them.